Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork? As of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. PiNetwork has always sparked strong debates, with some believing in its bright future, while others remain skeptical. No matter which side you're on, let's break things down logically and see what's ahead for Pi. The Know Your Customer or KYC verification will officially stop on February 28th. This is a huge event because it means that many people who didn't complete their KYC or gave up on mining will lose their Pi coins forever. Why is this important? The total circulating supply of Pi will be reduced, making it more valuable for those who stayed committed. Matcha, a well-known crypto exchange, is set to list Pi soon. This could bring new liquidity and make Pi more accessible for traders. Some strongly believe Binance will eventually list Pi. Why? Because Binance focuses on high-traffic projects, and Pi has a massive global community. If Binance adds Pi, it will bring huge exposure and trading volume. Smart investors are already preparing in case this happens. Many people are dreaming of extreme prices like 1 Pi equals $314,000. Let's be logical. If Pi was worth even a fraction of that, it could buy entire economies, which is impossible. A realistic price is based on supply, demand, and real-world use cases. OE and Sesame are launching on February 20th, likely to increase user wallets and spread out ownership. Pi's team is carefully controlling the release to avoid a massive sell-off that could crash the price. One reason why China's market hasn't fully opened yet is because over 60% of Pi's users are from there. If they allow everyone to sell at once, the market could collapse instantly. Instead, they are releasing it in phases to stabilize the price. Many impatient users who can't withdraw their Pi yet are angry and posting complaints everywhere. But let's be clear. This is how crypto projects operate in early stages. Selling pressure must be controlled, or else it fails. Instead of complaining, it's better to understand the strategy and plan wisely. If Pi's development stays on track, the price could keep rising. Many people talk about building an ecosystem, but very few projects actually succeed in creating real-world use cases. If Pi manages to develop a strong ecosystem in the next 6 years, it could become a powerful digital asset. Businesses are already moving toward digital transformation, so imagine what Pi could do if it succeeds. People used to laugh at mobile mining, calling it a scam. But as time passed, those who stayed patient and mined Pi are now in a much better position. Many early doubters now regret not accumulating Pi when they had the chance. Pi was once criticized for being worthless, but when it first launched for trading, it hit $2. Some traders expected it to crash to near zero, but instead it held its value and showed strong stability. If you believe in Pi's potential, position yourself early. If you think it will fail, that's fine too, but instead of blindly hating, take time to study the project deeply. Real investors prepare, while others hesitate and miss out. This is not financial advice, just a discussion. Stay informed and make smart choices.